Today I am going to try one of our YouTubers' recipes, Philly Boy J Cooking Show. I'm trying out his salmon croquette recipe. Here I'm chopping up my vegetables. I'm chopping up the onions. I'm going to chop up the bell peppers, the green bell pepper, the red bell pepper. No, I am not going to follow this verbatim. I'm just going to get a head start and just add my little twist to it. But mostly I am going to follow it as much as possible, minus a couple of steps. Okay, it says to chop your onions and peppers into small pieces, and then you're going to place a skillet over high heat and add your onions, your oil, onions, and pepper, and saute your vegetables for about 2 minutes, which makes a lot of sense. Now this is where I'm heating up my pan. I'm adding some oil to it. I decided to add some chopped garlic for extra flavor, some fresh chopped garlic. Well, not fresh, it's from the jar. Then I'm adding my vegetables and let those saute for about 2 minutes. Now I'm preparing the salmon so I can add the mixture to it. When I open the cans, what I'm going to do is go ahead and pour the juice from the cans into that pink bowl in case I need some extra juice when I mix it up with the vegetables and the breadcrumbs and the egg and all that. If it's too dry, then I can add a little bit more of the salmon juice to it. And then what I'm going to do is pick out some of the bones out of the salmon. This is what he calls for. Some people just smash them all in there together because it's really soft. Okay, now I'm heating up the pan, and this is where I'm going to start forming and shaping the patties. As you can see, I'm using 2 skillets. Excuse me, I'm losing my voice. Okay, a little golden brown, maybe a little extra crispy. Maybe I had the fire up too high, but anyway, here we are, and believe it or not, they were delicious. As I said, they're a little extra, but they tasted great. Here I am trying to cook these a little bit more so I can burn up some more. No, just kidding. But no, seriously, it turned out wonderful. Great recipe.